Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are well. Let's talk about Pepe coin, which momentarily lost a zero, or gained a zero, shall I say, just yesterday, which is, of course, quite bearish to see now. Pepe has come down massively over the month. It's actually sliced by 50% in terms of its value here. The market capital has also dropped by 50%. Now, this is, for most investors out there, quite a terrifying scenario, quite a scary scenario to be in. And I've been here before and I know it's very scary, and this is the scenario which will divide the true hodlers or hodlers, people that stay in the market versus the people that exit out and then potentially miss out on the next big thing coming, which could hopefully be another sort of big move to the upside of the market, because we have cooled off, we've steamed off quite a lot over here. You can see $4.35 billion market cap for Pepe. It's just not looking super good right now. Now, overall, it's still following what I think is a healthy looking structure. And on the diagonal, we have had a few dips down to these sort of lower support thresholds a few times. We caught this support, exactly here, and then we bounce back up from it. You can see this really interesting area, 0.000078. We basically had a long wick come down. It got bought up massively and then has bounced back to the upside. So we want to see further continuation, 30% move to the upside, which does look fabulous, but it's not enough, right? It's not enough. And now we've flipped a lot of these, what were just made into supports, back into resistances. So we've got a long hill to climb. Yet again, we're falling out of this fallen wedge right here, and we lost the support. So we need to now try and get back into this wedge pattern and see more continuation to the upside. So of course, that's going to require a lot of volume. It's going to require a lot of market momentum all around, all things meme, altcoin utility. It's going to require strong sentiment now to get this coin back into these upper thresholds that we want. And it could potentially actually be the ideal scenario, because if we just look at what happened here in May 2024, Pepe coin corrected 62%. If we look at what just happened, Pepe coin probably has corrected similar levels, maybe a little bit more. Factor in the volatility, yeah, 71%. But if you take away that volatility, you're still looking at 64%, which is still, in my books, business as usual, business and meme coins as usual, shall I say. This is typical standard volatility. What else can we look at? If we go here to our daily RSI, and you kind of peg now where we are, exactly where we are. We look at the RSI here where it was oversold. We look at the RSI here where it was oversold. We look at the RSI over here where it was oversold as well on the daily. Look, these are all the times. These four lines highlight the event of crash, market correction, big events happened. All the prices are going down massively. And every single time we actually kind of look at this happening, we can see the price from there onwards has always rallied up. So we had down here, September 2023, the price has rallied up significantly. It went up 210%. Then we had the next one, there was a sell-off. Price went up incredibly, 1,300%. Then we look at the next one over here, which you can see was here. Then the price went up 300+%. Could this be that next move? If it's already happened 3 times, could this be the area of dollar cost average, time to buy back in? Because then we will start to see another move to the upside, which could potentially take us to all-time highs. Yes, right now it doesn't feel great. Right now it feels horrible. But when that next bull rally, that meme mania phase, that altcoin season kicks back in, it's going to be one that feels pretty crazy. And then you're going to sort of wish that maybe you bought down here. Now, I'm not trying to make people buy down here, because it could still go lower. This market could still go down much lower, and it's very hard to say for sure. If we look at our weekly time frame, RSI on the weekly, it's sort of holding this fair line. Pepe coin is yet to come back down to like the lows that are going to make me buy back in. And personally, Pepe coin coming down to like 32 on the RSI, that is where I'm actually going to leave myself a reminder here. I'm going to leave myself a reminder. I'm going to put it as Pepe RSI 32 buy/DCA. And I'm going to make sure that I get that reminder here if the RSI does close. Basically, if it comes down a particular level. So I want the RSI to come down sub 30, which is hopefully what we're going to get here on the alert. So 32 settings, where is my little alert? Add alert on RSI 14 close. Yep. So this is something you should actually also be doing, guys, because it's going to allow you to buy back in. So Pepe oversold DCA. RSI 32. Create that. Once you've created an alert for you, wherever you are in the future, whether you're in the shower, wherever you're on holiday, wherever you are, you're going to get a notification. It's going to make you want to pull over and make sure you send it to your email, get an application notification as well. And when you do create that, that is when you're now going to get an alert, which will trigger you to go back to the charts and be like, hey, this could be a good time to actually potentially buy in. So that's something I also do for sure. Pepe also replying to Eric Trump here, which I find crazy. They're trying to get the attention of the Trump family. Also looking at the bubble maps here of Pepe coin, you can see Binance holding a significant amount, actually holding 16%, OKX 3%. You've got a few other wallets, got Robinhood with 3%. So tons of exchanges hold the Pepe coin, which I just find bizarre. Like the top 30 exchange wallet holders here, they're all exchanges, guys. And what is also crazy, you can actually see the trader analysis. For example, that Binance 8 wallet is in profit $276,000. That Binance 8 wallet, that's how much profit they've made. You can see here OKX, $167,000 dollars of profit. So you can see their total cost versus their total revenue, and you can also see their net cost and their profit. So these exchanges are able to slowly sell over time and constantly print more and more money, which I just find absolutely crazy. Here we can see the Pepe hourly volume with the price. The Pepe price, the buy amount right now is, it's hard to see, it's a bit laggy over here, but there's not a lot of volume coming in right now. There's not really much volume compared to what we had before, where it was in just the millions and things were going crazy. The buy and sell amounts are really, really high. Now the Pepe hourly transactions and buyer and seller, here we can see the sell versus buys. So if we just pick any random date in the nearish sort of time, we're actually getting more buys than sells. The buy count is higher at the moment. If we skip towards, I don't know if we can find February here. I think this is predominantly January, to be fair. But before, there were more buyers, and it's pretty much been more buyers the whole way through. But the value of each buyer, we are not sure of. But the buyers have almost always been higher than the sellers, no matter what the conditions are. Even back in time over here, the buyers have always been significantly well. So we can see here, decent buy count, higher than the sell count. Pepe's still looking strong, but we are missing still the euphoria, the FOMO, the greed of the market. It's been a big turnaround, but I think this could make me actually want to buy more Pepe, and 50% discount on one of the best and most sort of sought after meme coins in the crypto space. You know, it does tempt me to actually have a bit of a DCA moment here and enjoy the dip that we're seeing here. So yeah, it's really hard to exactly say what will happen with these markets, but it's always good to check out what's going on. And here we can see the centralized exchange holding balances. So you can see the balances of like Binance, you can see Huobi, Poloniex, and the trend is in some way, it is down, it is moving down, but it looks like some exchanges have started to buy actually following this dip. They will never accumulate more than what they originally had, most likely, but yeah, this is very interesting software right here. So be sure to do your own research on these coins, of course. You can also see the holders still going up a good few thousand per day on chain on the ERC20 on the FS scan here. So we're still getting buy volume coming. People are still buying a lot of Pepe coin. I may even buy some Pepe coin now. So yeah, definitely feeling interested to see what could happen in this market. Let me know down below what you think as well. By the way, guys, Bitchinix, if you're looking for that new exchange, no KYC, brilliant benefits here, copy trading, you got staking and easy access to on-ramp your fiat currency like euros, dollars, pounds into the crypto markets, and you can enjoy some sign-up bonuses if you get started down below there. Actually rewarding new traders at the moment to use the link. So yeah, Global Crypto Derivatives Exchange. This is one that I really enjoy for my leverage trading and my spot trading. I also hold some crypto in this particular exchange, but there are tons of trading pairs that you can enjoy with Bitchinix. So if you really want to get started in the world of cryptocurrency, you can have a look at the Bitchinix exchange, which should help you, effortlessly enter this wonderful crypto space. It will only take a few seconds to sign up. You can see they've got Pepe here. They've got hundreds of different coins that you can see here on the leverage, the spot, future side as well, whatever you want. They've pretty much got all the coins that you could wish for. If you're also looking to amplify your journey in the crypto space, you can check out my Patreon, linked down below as well, where we'll provide tons of signals, indicators, analysis, and insights to help you hopefully make some more gains in the market. We've got a package here called the Crypto Degen, which is literally just $4 per month. We've got 9 members already, so thank you very much. If you're looking for something a bit low cost, you can become a crypto degen. If you want to go all out and get the best package out there, you know, maybe you want to invest in education more deeply, you're looking at around $100 per month. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment if you're new here, and we'll see you very soon. Peace.